The first thing you need to do, if you haven't already done so, is turn off the iPhone 4 and remove the SIM card. Next, at the bottom of the phone you will see two screws. They will either be small Phillips screws, as this iPhone here, or as some of the newer iPhone 4Gs have, a star-shaped screw, which will need a special screwdriver that is available on the repairsuniverse.com website. Remove both of these screws. Once the screws are removed, push up the back cover and then lift to remove. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the small screw on the battery connector. Once the screw is removed, use a safe pry tool to pop up the battery connector, as being shown here now in the video. Then, using the tab, lift up the battery. You may need to use a little force as it is held in place with adhesive. With the battery removed, using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that are being pointed out here now in the video. With the screws removed, you can ease off the metal shield. Remove 2 more small Phillips screws as being shown here now in the video. With the screws removed, lift out the vibrator motor using a safe open pry tool. Next, using a safe open pry tool, remove the 5 pop ribbon connectors at the top of the phone as being shown now in the video. Next, still using the safe open pry tool, release the pop connector for the camera. Once released, you can gently lift the camera out. Using a safe open pry tool, release the pop connector of the flex ribbon. Ease the flex ribbon back and then remove the small Phillips screw underneath and also the one on the right of the phone. With the screws removed, using the safe open pry tool, pop off the antennae cable as being shown here now in the video. With the cable released, lift out the speaker assembly. Next, remove 2 more screws as being shown here now in the video. With the last 2 screws removed, you can lift out the motherboard. With the motherboard removed, we now need to remove 6 big screws with washers, 3 on each side, which is being pointed out now in the video. There's also 4 smaller screws, one in each corner. These also need to be removed. With all the screws removed, use a safe open pry tool and run it between the glass and the metal frame to ease the glass screen out. Ease the screen out slowly and then gently pull the cables through the gap. You can now replace your screen.